So welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace all the switches in the G402 apart from the skull press switch, which is a micro switch. These will be switched out to Khalith Reds. You can change these to any switches that you like. This is taken from a stream that I did where I did a full weight reduction video, which will be coming out very soon. I'll put a link as well in the description when it drops for that, and enjoy the video. All these are spelled. I'm just getting a light. I think it's H-M-M-K-E or H-I-M-M-K-E. You want to check that out? I don't know what they are. There's no other markings on them. And then you just got a micro, like a dot switch. We're a bit soldering on this one, people. We're going to put Khalith Reds all across here. I don't know. Guess they get cheaper switches, but it means you compensate on the side. Like I had like a mouse with all the same switches. Yo Ninja, what about come back, man? We just stripped down the 402. Now we're just beginning the modding. Don't know how this is going to turn out. Tell this is old school. This one. Things have come on a long way. So here's the first thing you got to do. You have to remember which way around these switches are, because if you look, they're all like different directions. So these two are going to the right. So I just got to remember that. 7 switches, yeah. At least they're using all proper switches bar their mouse button one, which is good. Good to see. Just doing this one today, I think, mate. I also need to do some YouTube videos. I need to get my Razer mini review out. But today we're just doing this one. I was up to what, 2:30 last night, and get to bed till 5, couldn't sleep. Woke up at 7:30. Not that I'm tired at the minute, but it was different. Up to what, 2:30 last night, and get to bed till 5, couldn't sleep. Woke up at 7:30. Not that I'm tired at the minute, but it was different. How easy to mess up soldering? Not too bad. You can mess it up if you use too much heat. I use 450 degrees. But it depends on your solder and your iron, so you can mess it up. And if you've soldered before, if you haven't, I'd try something else, then your 502. Also, that 502 is a nightmare to take apart. But if you can't afford to replace it, mate, I wouldn't do it. Would get someone else to do it for you. If you've done it before, something else, then your 502. Also, that 502 is a nightmare to take apart. But if you can't afford to replace it, mate, I wouldn't do it. Would get someone else to do it for you. If you've done it before. So here's that switch. Anyone recognise it? It's pronounced Hemeki or Hemek. H. Can't work out if it's an I or not. I think it's just H-M-M-K-E. Hemek. There's no other markings on it. I have no idea. I think it's just H-M-M-K-E. Yeah, if you overheat the board, like Chris is there, don't overheat it by holding on too long, and try not to obviously put solder in positions that you don't want. So like, you can put solder across other solder points. Tricky I know is just run this along. Showed this last night. Put solder in positions that you don't want. So like, you can put solder across other solder points. Tricky I know is just run this along. Showed this last night. Oh, I see. You were showing me there, Chris, that little marker. I didn't realise that was there. The switch direction. That's pretty cool. I've got to see what omrons were. These were the omrons we're using. These are they 20 million? I think they are. The white dot. I'll read it out. They are D2FC-7-7N bracket B close bracket. The 20 millions.